Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Orango certified professional exam guide 2025. So what is the ArangoDB? ArangoDB is open source multimodal NoSQL database. Unlike traditional databases that only support one model like relational, document or graph, OrangoDB support multiple data models in a one system including data store, a document store like MongoDB stores JSON document, graph databases like Neo4j manages connected data with edges and verticals, key and value store like Redis, first key value lookup, and you can query across those models using the one unified query language called AQL, ArangoDB Query Language. Why we use the ArangoDB? Here, all in one database, no need to combine MongoDB, Neo4j, Redis. ArangoDB can handle all. High performance scales horizontally with the clustering and sharding. Flexible queries, AQL lets you query, document, graph, and key value in one query. ACID transaction, unlikely many NoSQL databases, ArangoDB supports transaction. Open source plus enterprise support. Free to use with the paid enterprise features are available there. So common case use cases is that analytics purpose, combine graph document data for the insights, recommendation engines using the graph relationship, e-commerce platform catalogs plus user data plus transaction, social networks friends followers, posts in graph plus documents, fraud detection graph patterns plus real-time analysis. So there is a registration link is there. So ArangoDB certified professional is there. Graph databases are designed and handle the complex and interconnected data with the unmatched efficiency. So this exam is free. You can give in the multiple tries. It consists of the 50 questions, cover topics like general knowledge about the ArangoDB, uh, query composition, performance tuning, and data modeling. This exam has time limit is 60 minutes. You need to achieve at least score of 80% pass, but you can retake the exam if you need to. When passing the exam successfully, you will receive the personal certificate to download and show your skill on Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever you want. Some question will be easy, some will be a bit more tricky, but definitely doable for everyone who already has experience in OrangoDB. So this certificate you will get. So OrangoDB certified professional will be there. Prepared to pass. Our free Udemy courses are there. OrangoDB graph courses are there. Interactive tutorial notebooks are there. Those resources include all the knowledge you have to need to pass, and you can check out these things: basic SQL tutorial, Fox service detail, Orango search tutorial. So step by step process, and OrangoDB certified professional exam will be this like this. You have to fill up the form, then you have to start the exam. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free ArangoDB certified professional exam guide 2025, and we have learned about the what is ArangoDB, how to use ArangoDB, and what is the use cases for that. And registration link is given below. This is the registration link, and for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.